Welcome class 8. Today we will learn about the gaseous state. Gas. This is the molecular structure of gas, where we can see that the molecules are very loosely packed compared to solids and liquids. And in between we can see a lot of free space, and this free space is called the intermolecular space. So the intermolecular space in case of gas is very high. The force of attraction between the molecules, that is the intermolecular force, is very less, or we can say the intermolecular force is weakest in gas compared to solids and liquids because the molecules are very far away from each other. So the attractive force or the intermolecular force is weakest. The molecules therefore can move around easily and change their relative positions. So they can freely move and they can freely flow. The volume and density of gas depend on its container in which it is kept. So the volume and density will depend for the gas in which it is kept in the container. Since the molecules are free to move, so it has neither a definite shape nor it has definite volume. And the intermolecular space in between the gases are very high, so because of that the gases are highly compressible. This means that it can be compressed very easily. Since gases are highly compressible, so this property, that is the compressibility of gases, is of great use to us. Large amounts of gas can be compressed into small cylinder and can easily be transported from one place to another. Like for example, LPG gas, LPG, which stands for liquefied petroleum gas. So liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, is a gas, but it is liquefied and kept, it is stored in the LPG cylinder. Next we have the oxygen cylinders. Oxygen cylinders carry oxygen which is also stored in the liquid form, or we can say it is compressed and stored in the cylinder. Next we have CNGs. CNG, which stands for compressed natural gas, is also compressed gas which can be stored easily. The other form of the gases are piped natural gas, because the gases can flow easily as the particles are free to move. So this is the reason that the piped natural gases, or PNG, flows through the pipe from one point to the other, and thus it can be transported by using the pipelines. Thus we can say as a conclusion that the density of gases is very less than that of solids and liquids, and the gases have the greatest amount of energy. This is due to the fact that when solids are heated, gets converted to liquids, and again on further heating, liquids get converted to the gas. So we can say that gases have this heat energy stored in them, and because of this the kinetic energy of the molecules is greatest, thus they move away from each other. So gases have the greatest amount of energy.